ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello, welcome everybody. Me Annapayya, the host for today's Anubhav-Karyakrama. In the back of our mind, always, we have host of memorable experiences. The Nightingale Medical Trust has created this Anubhav radio program exclusively for us, so that we can share our experiences freely amongst ourselves. We are more than 60 regular members. If each can subscribe at least one program per quarter, we will have 4 to 5 episodes per week. So please come forward, share something regularly. Today, I am sharing with you my recent experiences of undergoing the Master Health Check-Up. This is my first experience of total health check-up. Why did I decide to go for such a check-up? I tell you. Doctor, dry cough. Oh, first get an X-ray of the chest. Doctor, pain in the lower abdomen. Get an ultrasound and also a kidney function test done, Mr. Annappayya. Like this, doctors make me to run to the lab on and off. So I decided to have a ready reckoner by way of an omnibus report on the functioning of all my internal organs. Interestingly, tax incentive is also available. Entire expenses of health checkup is tax exempt. Same time, I saw an ad from a lab offering a discounted price of rupees 12,500 for senior citizens with 128 tests, including X-ray, ultrasound, treadmill, plus free physician consultation. So I booked the appointment. Went to the lab, empty stomach, in the morning. A smart girl escorted me. First was sample collection. A lady technician started drawing the blood. 2, 3, 4, 5 tubes of blood already drawn. Like a Dracula, thirsty of blood, she is keeping on sucking blood. When she started the 7th tube, I yelled at her, "Hi, madam, I have not come here for blood donation. You have already taken out 250 ml of blood. I am feeling giddy now. At this rate, I will become anemic." "No, sir, this much blood is needed. We have to carry out tests on 128 parameters, sir, including monkeypox, all mutated variants of COVID, swine flu, French flu, bird flu, etc. Sir, please cooperate." Next, ultrasound on empty stomach. The escort girl said, "Sir, your bladder should be full. Please relax and drink plenty of water. So I kept on gulping almost 2 liters of water. In about 20 minutes, I began to feel the urge. I was called in. The radiologist is a middle-aged lady. Lie down on your back. Do you have any problems? She asked. Exactly, ma'am. That is why I came here. Please check and let me know, do I have any problems? Raising her eyebrows, the lady started looking at me with an angry face. I could immediately make out. She did not like my reply, and I might face some problems with her. All right, keep your legs straight, hands to the sides. She poured some gel on my stomach and with the probe instrument of the ultrasound, suddenly with full force pressed deep into my abdomen. I was about to wet in my pants, luckily controlled. With wooden face and angry tone, she said, "Bladder is not full. Drink and some more water and come back after 15 minutes. I understood. She is leveling the score against me. What to do? I started sipping some more water. It was becoming almost impossible to hold on. I can neither sit nor stand. Besides, the great urge, burning sensation also started. How to control the pressure? Suddenly I remembered the Kegel exercises taught in the active aging classes. Contraction of the muscles in such cases. With the determination, I contracted the entire torso region. Somehow found I can hold on for some more time. So the ultrasound procedure started again. Lower your pant, she said. I lowered up to a safe limit. She started rolling the probe ruthlessly all over and kept on instructing, relax, relax, loosen the muscles. But I did not care. I knew the risks I am running. Ultimately, the painful process was over. Next was X-ray. I was asked to wait in a room. Suddenly a person entered and closed the room. Hurriedly told, remove your wristwatch, ring, wallet, mobiles, and stand facing the wall there, keeping your hands raised up. I got scared. Remembered in Bollywood movies, bad guys disguised as hospital staff rob the innocents. I thought I am also being cheated. I started to turn to see what he is doing. Don't move, he shouted. In the pretext of seeking a clarification, I turned and said, "You are focusing the X-ray machine at my back, sir. I want just X-ray, not of my back." Simultaneously, I looked at the belongings. Hey, they were there only. Surely he is the X-ray technician, not a robber. Next was treadmill. Technician asked whether I was ever on a treadmill earlier. No, this is my first time. I said, sir, here we do the stress test of the heart, monitor heartbeat, BP. This is that machine on which you have to walk for a few minutes. I was surprised. I had seen similar equipment in my friend's house used for drying clothes. Now only I realized that such cloth stands have an alternative use also. Are you comfortable walking barefoot or you want a walking shoe? He asked. My shoe size is 10, but there is only one shoe of size 10. Other pair is missing. Okay then, I will walk barefoot. He fixed so many knots with cables all over my body. I looked like a chained criminal. I was not comfortable walking barefoot on a rubberized belt and my body wrapped with cables. In about 6 minutes, I got thoroughly exhausted. The exercise was stopped. Final was the doctor's consultation. It was almost 1:30 in the noon, my lunch time. Small breakfast was provided by the lab at around 8:30. Only 2 idlis, 1 vada and a cup of tea. Nothing else in between. I was feeling hungry, tired, plus disturbed mood. Doctor glanced through the 12-page report, examined me physically, pressing stethoscope here and there, finally handed over the report, said, everything seems normal, nothing alarming, Mr. Annappayya. Maintain your existing diet and exercise routines. By the way, Mr. Annappayya, do you take beer? Why, doctor? Will you give me company? The way the doctor was looking at my pot belly, I knew what is in his mind. I was also looking for some opportunity to vent out the annoying experiences in the morning I had. So I took on the doctor. When I do not have any health issues, doctor, what is wrong having a paunch, doctor? I tell you the benefits of the paunch. Whenever I am in a flight or Shatabdi train or multiplex theatre, I don't need armrests. Comfortably rest my both hands on my pouch and relax. It is a safe place to keep my mobiles and free my hands. I can also keep my plate on it and eat comfortably. My grandchild does horse riding seated on the pouch and both of us enjoy. Is it not interesting, doctor? Okay. Goodbye, doctor.